You guys, we're doing it a little bit different today. Yesterday, I went thrifting and I decided to take you guys along with me. I want to give you some tips on how to find pre-loved handbags. A couple things you want to keep in mind when you go and you look for them. I'm going to take it away to myself yesterday. See ya shortly. Saturday morning, and I am taking you guys along with me as I go thrifting in relation to the topic that I'm going to be talking about, to how to thrift handbags and what to look for, what you want to stay away from, and what you need to do to make sure you score something super nice. Let's get started. Guys, so I am here at the Salvation Army. Let's see what they have. Look at your bags really closely. Look at the hardware, see if it's in good condition. If it's not in good condition, it's not necessarily a bag that you would want to get. This bag is a leather bag. It is not Chanel, but it looks really good for someone who wants to stay budget conscious, but they still want the style and the look. This is a great find. It's a keeper. It's very cute. Pay attention to the material of bags too. Just because a bag doesn't have a designer name or a label on it doesn't mean that it's not good quality. Look at all of your bags just to make sure when you pick something up, look to see if it's all leather. A lot of times bags that are all leather don't necessarily have a name on them, and that's fine. This is an all leather patchwork bag. It is super cute, perfect just to sling over the shoulder. Oval bag to wear if you just want a casual look, and it's really nice for $7.99 and all leather. This is an example of a bag that is not leather. It is vegan leather. It is a very nice heavily woven bag. It puts you in the mindset of a Bottega Veneta bag. It's a tote bag. It has a pull tassel on either side. But here's an example of why you want to look at all of your bags from the outside and in. I opened this bag up and inside Orbit gum and a toothpick. So you want to be really careful when you pick up bags. Look at the inside to make sure the interior is clean. Also look at your exterior for any heavy wear, tear, surface dirt, or scratches. This bag is marked at $7.99. A great bag for somebody who does not want a leather bag, but they're looking for something nice. Here's an example of a super great mid-level designer bag by the Sack. It is in very good condition. It has a nice woven handle and it still has the hang tag attached. Inside of the bag is super clean, spacious, and roomy. And there's a middle pocket. There is some minor stains to the lining, some looks like pen marks. Nothing heavy duty, nothing major. This bag is $7.99. There's another bag. This bag is a brown Italian leather crossbody bag. When you're looking for bags that are in the second-hand store, pay attention to where the bags were made. This bag was made in Italy by Michael Rome. The back is simple with no slip pocket at the back. Easy to just sling across the shoulder and be on your way. But this is a great find for an all-leather Italian bag. The price of this bag is $9.99. I know this is a little bit off topic, but I picked up this Tuna Turk 3/4 length military style jacket with fur on the collar. This is so adorable. This price on this, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, actually I am sure. This is listed for $19.99. I do have a sale today, but it's not for green ticket items. It has a little bit of wear on the inside, but perfect for the upcoming fall. But I just want to show you guys how I shop. when I come inside the thrift store, I just kind of let my eyes wander and see what I can find. You'd be surprised at the things that you could find if you take your time and you look so cute. And pay attention to the details of the bag: hardware, interiors, exteriors, things that people leave inside the bag, who the bag was made by, where it was made. All these things go towards finding really nice things that you'd like to have in a bag, pre-loved. Bye for now. Guys, there you have it. Salvation Army thrifted for some bags to show you what to look for when you're looking for bags. I will see you guys back at the house for the recap. There you have it. That is what I wanted to show you. Just a little brief snip of me out sourcing, looking for bags. I did not find anything yesterday. However, last Sunday, when I decided to go to thrift, there were two cute little bags that I came across, and I want to share those with you really quickly. This electric blue all leather bag is by Erin Templeton. It is so gorgeous. The shape is phenomenal. It is the softest leather. I paid $7.99 for this bag. It is very nice, and when you open it up on the inside, it's extremely clean. There are no issues. There's no paper, nothing icky that anyone left inside. When you're looking for bags, all leather bags in the thrift store, check them out. Look for the wear on the corners, look for the interiors, look for fray to handles, any hardware issues. So let's move on really quickly. The second bag that I want to show you, mini fringe, all leather patchwork bag. You guys, when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is so cute. Right on trend with mini bags, 2 hoops, the little fringe in the front. It is so small and so cute, perfect for a date. This was $2.99. It is in good condition. They show somewhere on the corners, the tassels have a little bit of separation, but that's not a deal breaker. Eye candy, so cute. Let me just recap this. I want to lay this all out for you guys so that you're clear. When you are thrifting, pay attention to where the bag is made. Made in Italy? Is it handcrafted? Which falls in line with pay attention to how the bag is made. Craftsmanship, where the origins of the bag come from, add to the bonus of the score. Also, keep in mind the condition of the hardware. Is the hardware easy to use? Is it discolored? Do the zippers pull nicely or not? Is there separation where the zipper meets the bag? Just because a bag is a good leather bag and it looks great doesn't mean everything about the functionality with it goes hand in hand with how it looks. I cannot tell you how many times I've left bags behind because they just didn't work. The zippers didn't work, latches were broken, rivets were missing. All of those things add to the aesthetic. Last thing that you want to do when it comes to the quality of how the bag is connected, meaning seams and areas where there's latches or hoops or hooks or the stitch work that's keeping handles to the bag, etc., pockets. If you see separations at seam areas, or if you see pulling when you look inside the bag, and let's just say it's an all leather bag and it only has the backside of the leather that is a part of the lining, and you see areas where there's tension, where the stitching meets the leather, you see separations and things like that, it could be an indication that it's time to pass. Some people are very crafty when it comes down to leather or it comes down to woven bags, and they have the ability to repair. If you're one of those people who can and you think that it's worth doing, then by all means do it. Those were some of the tips that I wanted to give you when you're looking for bags as you're thrifting. Follow these steps, you will be more than prepared to find bags thrifting that you absolutely love and are a score. Thank you so much for watching me this week. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am growing and I am super excited. For those of you who are newly subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I know this video was a little bit out of sorts, but I think I was so excited to just finally walk out the door and share some things with you. So guys, I'm learning. This is still a learning curve for me, so bear with me as I go along and do this. If you do not want to miss out on any videos that I post, tap that bell and you will be notified every time I post a new video. I post videos every Sunday. Tap the bell if you do not want to miss out. Links to my socials will be listed down below. If you want to head over to Poshmark, check out my closet there, or head on over to Instagram. I've recently become a little bit more active again on Instagram and have been sharing some things that I have listed in my closet as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching this week. Be safe. See you all next Sunday. Bye for now.